Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and configuration file for Slay the Spire 2 on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open File Explorer on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the folder Program Files x86. Open the Steam folder. Open the User Data folder. Now open the folder with your Steam account number. Open the folder 2868840. Open the Remote folder. Open the Profile 1 folder. Finally, open the Saves folder. Inside this folder, you will find all of your Slay the Spire 2 save game files. These files contain your game progress and saved runs. Now let's locate the config file. Go back to the Remote folder. Inside this folder, look for the file called settings.save. Right-click settings.save. Select Open With. Choose Notepad. This file contains the game configuration settings, such as some game preferences and options. And that's it. Now you know where to find both the save files and the configuration file for Slay the Spire 2 on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.